Hello and welcome to Your Next Car and a walk around video for the 2019 69 Reg G05 X5 Xdrive Msport. The vehicle is presented in the superb Alpine White. It does of course feature a full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit as well as some superb BMW options. At the front you can of course see the full LED headlamps alongside the striking new looks of the G05 X5. We've added a set of brand new 742M style alloys in frozen black, and alongside that all four tyres are brand new and they are the Yokohama Advan Sport tyres. Down the side you can see that Alpine White really does work well with all of the additions we've added alongside the YNC Mperformance side vinyls, decals and of course the gloss black aero blades. It does come with BMW sun protection glazing. You'll see the gloss black mirror caps as well, and it is from any angle a very striking looking vehicle. It does come with an all new two-way air suspension system, which not only gives the X5 a very comfortable ride but a very sporty and responsive one as well. Full black Venezia leather. It does come with interchangeable ambient lighting settings as well as an all new 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. Everything within this car is very clean and tidy, which just matches the exterior. Moving on to the rear, well, we have a very spacious 3-seat ISOFIX rear bench with a central folding armrest and of course a darkened M Sport headlining, currently all being illuminated of course by our blue ambient lighting settings, which are all interchangeable. Moving round to the rear, again showing you off these fantastic frozen black alloy wheels, which really do finish this striking looking car off very well. At the back we've not only got the three-dimensional rear tail lights, which are again full LED, but we've also got the high gloss rear boot spoiler, again giving a very aggressive look to the X5. Full black exhaust tips and the full high gloss rear diffuser. Automatic opening and closing tailgate, which is of course a split, so you get that lovely fold down section. You can see just how large the boot space is on the X5. It does also come with split folding seats. As you can see, having that split tailgate option is a great feature for not only loading items in and out, but of course can be used for sitting down on. Moving round to the other side of the car, we will also demonstrate the rear facing reversing camera, which again is a really nice bit of technology. It's a very clear camera. Again, trying to show off every angle because there is not an angle on this car that isn't nice to look at. And of course, I'm sure you will agree, should you choose to come and want to see the car, you'll see that for yourself. One last look at the rear seats before we hop on inside and go through just some of the technology on this wonderful G05 X5. Hopping on inside, you're greeted first of all by the live cockpit, which in itself features a wide array of information. We've also got the professional wide navigation and media screen. You can see there's low mileage cars covered just below 12,000 miles. In terms of the multifunction M Sport steering wheel, we've got cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, and we'll start the car up and just walk you through a couple of the features, beginning with this interchangeable widget system that BMW have introduced. So this is all customizable, you can set which one you would like. We'll show you the perks of having touchscreen. Using the sat nav, you can pinch zoom, as you can see there. We can also tap into destinations and simply start our route guidance to that specific point. We do still have our iDrive scroll wheel, so if you're not a fan of touchscreen, it's not a problem. Also on here is our controller for the four-way adjustable air suspension, as well as the performance mode select. When selecting sport, you can see you have got a configurable individual mode, so we can have there the settings of your choice, including everything from the suspension damping, as well as the engine and transmission, as well as steering. Going back to the car itself, the vehicle is not yet due its first service, which you'll be able to see there. Engine oil service not due for 4,900 miles, has had a pre-delivery inspection service at BMW. Just down here is a wireless charging tray. It's a little bit difficult to try and show that off, but there is one there. You might be able to just pick out the symbol, place your device on there, and that'll keep that charged. In terms of connectivity, there is Bluetooth, telephone and audio, as well as screen mirroring. And we've got all the usual refinements, including DAB, Spotify, music collection, Bluetooth audio, and as I mentioned, that wonderful screen mirroring system as well. So there is a look around at this wonderful G05 X5 Xdrive 3-litre D here at Your Next Car. I do hope you've enjoyed the walk around, been able to find it useful. Should you want some more information or just get in touch, follow the links down below and we shall hopefully see yourself soon. Do of course take care. Thank you very much. Bye bye.